So, sorry, I'm just closing my door because, I figured if I went into my room, I could talk a lot more and blah, 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 because I don't talk in front of my family. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you guys this I got today, like seconds ago. And basically what it does is it flies, and I just showed you, so I'm going to show you again. And yeah, I got it from Rebecca's party. And if you don't know, she's one of my friends. Because we all have friends. And if you don't, I don't know what to say about that. So let's do this. Friends. Friends. Wait, I'm going to shoot it at the camera. And that's going to be a stupid idea. Whew. It didn't work. Now for some super cool non-music time, because let's face it, I can't edit that good. Music time. Music time. Okay, one rule. Don't keep it near your face. That's what happens. The end.